switch on the recording. Okay. Okay, for your record, I just repeat the whole thing once again. Okay.
Yep.
Distance formula we discussed, AB, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We discussed in the previous class as well. And we are doing exercise 3A. First question was the coordinates of PQR, the vertices of triangle are given. Okay, and we have to we have to find the sides of the triangle, length of the sides of the triangle. Then we have to check whether it is right angle or not. So we just plug into the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So negative 4 minus 6. We took these 2 points. Okay. And that comes to square root of 125. And then we determined QR. Okay. That comes to square root of 80. And then we determined PR, which comes to 3 root 5 or square root of 45. Okay. After that, we used Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square equals to the sum of opposite square and adjacent square. Means hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Yeah. So we see that the longest side is PQ. Because PQ square is 125, which is the greatest one. So, and we see that this longest side, square of this longest side is the sum of square of other two sides. That means it is definitely a right angle triangle. And we know that the angle opposite to the hypotenuse is right angle. So we were able to determine that angle, which is right angle as well, 90 degrees. Now we are discussing question number 2. Here we have been given 3 vertices of triangle. Vertex P is 1, 6. Vertex Q is negative 2, 1. And vertex R is 3, minus 2. First of all, we again have to check whether they form a right angle or not. Okay. Actually, we have to prove that triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle means one of the angles is 90 degree and the length of legs, length of two sides are also equal. Okay.
Okay.
So let's find PQ. Rather than doing the whole question, I want just to give you hint how we are going to do. Again, we will be using the distance formula to find PQ, QR, and PR. Okay. Okay, we do this question, and then the next question you will be doing at home. Okay. Okay. PQ will be negative 2, negative 1 square plus 1 minus 6 square, square root of it. So negative 2, negative 1 square is negative 3 square and plus negative 5 square. Negative 3 square is 9 and negative 5 square is 25. Keep responding. Yes. 25, negative 5 square is 25. So it becomes square root of 34. And QR is 3 negative of negative 2 square plus negative 2 negative 1 square, square root of it. It gives us 3 plus 2. 3 negative times negative, minus into minus plus. So it is 5 square. 5 square is 25 and negative 3 square is 9. This is again what? Root 34. As we have to show that it is an isosceles as well, we can see that, we can observe that the length of PQ and QR both are equal. So obviously it will be isosceles triangle. Now we have to find PR. Okay, PR. So PR 3 minus 1 square. 3 minus 1 square. Plus.
Okay. Yeah.
Minus 2 minus 6, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So 3 minus 1 square is 2 square plus negative 2 square. Okay. 2 square plus negative 8 square and square root of it. So 2 square is 4 plus 64. That comes to root over 68. Root over 68. Okay. So we can easily check that PR square is 68. Okay. And PQ square is 34. QR square is also 34. So PR square equals to PQ square plus QR square. Square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of other two sides. And that means it is a right angle triangle, which implies this is a right angled isosceles triangle. Why isosceles?
Because
One
there's a
more.
sides.
Yes. Also, PQ equals to QR equals to root over 34 units. So the length of legs are also equal. So this is right isosceles triangle. Okay. Next question is the distance between 2 points PQ is given. Find the two possible values of A. You will be doing yourself at home. It is quite easy. Distance, you need to use distance formula for PQ. And distance is given. So you will have an equation in terms of A. By equating, you can find the value of A. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Question number 4. That is the magic of book, having book. See, if you have book in your hand, then it becomes easier to teach. And it becomes easier to understand, practice and understand. Question number 4 is the distance between 2 points is 10. Find the two possible values of B. 3 and 4, both are the same type of question. I think you will be able to do it.
Yes, I think so.
If in any case you are not able to do, I am here to help
Can
you
I
out.
ask one
So need not to
before I start?
Yes. See, we will find.
Yeah, that's how you can continue.
We will find PQ, the length of PQ. that is given as 10. So obviously, once again, we will have an equation in terms of B, and then we can solve it to find the value of B. Yes, you were telling me asking me something.
Yeah.
You were asking me something, yeah.
So I was going to, so you see here, so the distance between 2 points, right? P is A minus 1 and Q is 5A, and the distance is that.
Yes.
So you would just use the full distance is equal to
4 root 5, yes.
Yeah.
Distance PQ. We will use distance formula and we will equate with 4 root 5. So
Yeah.
square both sides, and you will get an equation in terms of A. Then you will be able to find the value of it. And the similar question is fourth one. Okay. And similar question is fifth one as well. Now you tell me which question I should do for you. Fifth question?
Yeah. Could you do the fifth one?
Okay. Fifth question. Fifth question is the point -2 minus 3. -2, -3.
Wait, so could you just wait one?
Yes,
Sorry,
Rajvi.
could you give me like just 2 minutes? I just need to quickly get something. Sorry.
Okay. So question number 5 is let R be let a point R -2 -3 is midpoint of PQ. P is -6, -5, and Q is AB. Q is AB. Find the value of A and B. We need to find AB. Okay?
Yes.
We have to find AB. This is the question. Now, we will use midpoint formula. Okay, we discussed in the last class. So once you tell me the topic, almost I'll give you the same thing, which will be applicable, which will be in your syllabus. So we already discussed these things. We have P -6, -5. Q is A, B. And let's say R is the midpoint. That is -2, -3. Do you recall the midpoint formula that I made you understand in the last class? Do you recall?
Yes. Yep.
What is that?
Just all in brackets, it'll be x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2.
Correct. That is correct. So we have R -2, -3 equals to -6 plus A over 2, -5 plus B over 2. So we just need to equate them to get the answer. Okay, so x coordinate is -2, and that is A -6 over 2. Now multiplying both sides by 2, we have -4 equals to A -6. Adding 6 both sides, we have 6 will be cancelled out, and -4 plus 6 is 2. So value for A will be 2. So value of A is 2. What about B? So B -5 over 2 is -3. Multiplying by 2, we have B -5 equals to -6. And further, B equals to -6 plus 5. that comes to -1. So B is -1 and A is 2. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have an answer with you? You can check your answer as well. This will be the answer.
Okay.
Now, question number 6. Three of the vertices of parallelogram A, B, C, D. Three of vertices of the parallelogram A, B, C, D are given. Find the midpoint of AC, find the coordinates of D, find the length of diagonal AC and BD. Okay, so question number 6. Question 6. Vertices of parallelogram ABCD are given. So let's make a diagram for parallelogram ABCD. Okay, A, B, C, D. Coordinates of A, B, and C are given. A is -7, 3, -7, 3. Where is the question? Yes, -7, 3. B,
Yeah.
coordinates of B is given.
Negative
-3,
and negative.
-1. C is
No,
3,
no, it's negative
-1.
11.
-11. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And 3, -5. And D we have to determine. Let's say D coordinates of D is H, K. Okay. So first we have to find the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. We can easily find the midpoint of AC. That's not an issue. That's not a big deal. Can you tell me what will be the point of intersection of AC and BD? AC and BD are the diagonals of parallelogram. So they will bisect each other. Bisect means BO equals to DO and AO equals to CO. So O is midpoint of AC. O is midpoint of AC. So using midpoint formula,
What you do,
the chord.
yeah, so then what you do is, right, you'd work out the midpoint of A and C, right? And then with that midpoint, you work out the distance between B and O, and then you times that by 2 to get BD. Right? Like
BD,
the
we need to find the coordinates of BD. So what we will do, we will equate with the midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD. So first we have to find the midpoint of AC. That will be -7 plus 3 over 2, comma 3 -5 over 2. So coordinates of midpoint O is -4 over 2, that is -2 and -1. This is the coordinate. Now B part. B part is coordinates of D. Midpoint of AC equals to midpoint of BD, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. So midpoint of AC will be midpoint of BD. So midpoint of AC is -2, -1, and midpoint of BD. Can you tell me what will be the midpoint of BD? H minus 3 over 2. Yes, H minus 3 over 2. Comma.
Yeah.
A minus 11 over 2.
11 over
so,
2.
Yes. We will just equate them to get value of H and K. So we have H minus 3 over 2 equals to negative 2. Multiply both sides by 2. H minus 3 equals to negative 4. And H equals to negative 1. Now, K minus 11 over 2 equals to negative 1. Multiplying by 2, we have K minus 11 equals to negative 2. So K equals to 9. K equals to 9.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
So this will be the coordinate of D. So coordinate of D is negative 1, comma 4. Negative 1, comma 4. Find the length of diagonal AC and BD. So you need to use distance formula. Okay, I just give you the hint. Use distance formula to find AC and BD. Can you do yourself, Rajveer?
To find AC and B. Yeah.
Just you need to use distance formula to get AC and BD. Now moving to question number 7, but I can't find it. We have done till question number 6. Okay, here it is. Question number 7 is the point P is equidistant from A and B. Find the value of K. In India, these things are taught in grade 10, class 10. All these things are in class 10. In CBSE. In India, in fact, CBSE, Igcse, ICSE, ISC, IB, different boards are there. I'm talking about this. 7. The point P is equidistant from A and B. Question number 7. Point P is P, let's say K, comma 2K is equidistant
Yep.
the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A is 8, 11, and coordinates of B is 1, 12. Is it?
Let me see. B is 1, 12. Yeah.
We need to find the value of K. Since it's been given B, P is equidistant from A and B. Since P is, okay. Since P is equidistant from A and B. A and B. Therefore, PA equals to PB, which implies PA square equals to PB square. Do you understand, Rajveer?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. If you do not understand anything, clearly ask me, because you have to do a work on regular basis. If you do not understand anything clearly, then you will find difficulty to do the questions, do homework. Okay. So if you do not understand, you can ask me. I'll repeat it once again. Okay. PA square. So PA square. What will you write? Can you dictate me? PA square will be what?
So wait, PA square. So it would be K 2K and then
No. K minus 8 square. Distance formula. K minus 8 whole square. PA square is what? K minus 8 square plus 2K minus 11. 2K minus 11 square equals to PB square. Tell me, what will you write for PB square? PB square. Yes.
okay, so be 1 minus K squared.
Yes, we can write that. 1 minus K square. Yes, plus 12
Plus
minus
2K.
2K. Yes, 12
12, yeah.
minus 2K square. So we will just expand it, open the brackets. We will use identity. A minus B square is A square plus B square minus 2AB 2 into K into 8 plus 2K square plus 11 square minus 2 into 2K into 11 equals to 1 square plus K square minus 2K plus 12 square plus minus 2K square and minus 2 into 12 into 2K. Okay. So this will be K square plus 4K square. This can be written as K square plus 64 minus 16K plus 4K square plus 121 and minus what? 44K.
Yeah.
Equals to 1 plus K square and minus 2K plus 12 square is 144 plus 4K square minus 2K whole square, and we have negative 48K. So this 4K square will be cancelled out because they have positive sign both sides. When we bring them together, they will be cancelled out. Okay. And K square will be cancelled out. Now we have 64 plus 121 is 185. 185 minus 44 minus 16, that is 60K equals to 1 plus 144, that is 145 minus 50K. Do you understand, Rajveer?
Yeah, I do.
Now bring terms with K together. So we have 185 minus 145 equals to 60K minus 50K. So this becomes 40 equals to 10k. So divide both sides by 10. We have k equals to 40 over 10. That comes to 4. So k equals to 4. This will be the final answer. Okay. This is the answer. Did you understand, Rajveer?
Yeah, just could we do
You need
one
to
more
go
question
through.
like that, similar to the, if there's.
Yes, 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 yes. We can do. We can do. See, in this question, what we did. Question number 7. Point. We have been given that P point is equidistant from A and B. That means PA is equal to PB. Distance of P from A, that is PA. Distance of P from B, that is PB. They are equal. So PA square equals to PB square just to remove square root, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then just we applied the formula and finally we just had to do calculation. Yes, calculation is there because you have to, open the brackets in both the sides and each side containing 4 terms, in fact 6 terms, because if you open, then they will have 6 terms each side, means total 12 terms. But as you see that after elaborating it, after expanding it, certain terms are cancelled out. So finally you can get the value of k.
Okay.
Question number 8 is triangle ABC vertices are given so that ABC is isosceles and find the area of the triangle. So it's quite easy. We already did, I think, two questions of such type. We need to find the AB, length of AB, BC, and AC. Okay?
Yeah.
Any two sides, any two lengths will become equal. Then we can say it is isosceles. And for area, draw perpendicular from A to BC. Okay? And we know that in isosceles triangle, altitudes is median also. Means altitudes divides the opposite sides into 2 equal parts. I just make you understand by diagram, using diagram. Okay. Question number 8 is, you have triangle ABC, vertices are given. Okay. Vertices are given. So first you will find the length of AB, BC, and AC. Okay. Any two sides will become equal. Suppose AB and AC becomes equal. Draw perpendicular to BC. Then these two sides are equal. And using midpoint formula, you will find the coordinates of D. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Find the length of AD. Then area of triangle will be half into length of BC into AD. That's it.
Okay.
Question number 9, triangle ABC has vertices ABC. Given that AB equals to 2BC, find the value of A. We are doing question number 9. triangle ABC has vertices A, B, and C. Okay. A is -7, 8. Coordinates of B 3, K, and coordinates of C 8, 5. Given that AB equals to 2BC. AB equals to 2 times BC. Find the value of K. So
Okay,
AB,
yeah.
AB is what? Using distance formula, AB will be what? 3 plus 7, isn't it? Whole square.
Yeah.
Plus K minus 8 whole square. Square root of it equals to 2 times BC. For BC, we have 8 minus 3 square.
Yeah.
5 minus K square. Square root. To remove square root, what should we do? Squaring both sides, isn't it?
Yeah.
Squaring both sides. We have 10 square plus K minus 8 square equals to 2 square, that is 4, and 5 square plus 5 minus K square. Now simplify and then find the value of K, that's it. So this will be 20 square is 100. And what about K minus 8 whole square? Make me right, Rajveer.
So it would be K squared.
Yes.
And then it would be minus 8K.
Minus 16K. 2AB. Yes. Then?
Wait. Wait.
64. 8 square. A square minus 2AB plus B square.
Oh, yeah. So, okay. Yeah. You put those together. Okay. Sorry. Yeah.
And here it is 4 into 5 square is 25 plus 5 minus K square. That is 25 plus K square minus 10K.
Yeah.
So just simplify it. 100 plus 64. That becomes 164, isn't it?
Yeah.
Plus K square minus 16K equals to 100 plus, oh, it's not 100 actually, it's 200. 4 into 50 plus K square minus 10K. That becomes 200 plus 4K square and minus 40K. So send all terms to the right hand side. We will have 4K square minus K square. That is 3K square.
Yeah.
And negative 40K, positive 16K will be 24K. Negative 24K. 200 minus 164 becomes what? Positive 36, isn't it? Yes. Now we have a quadratic equation. Take divide by 3. So K square minus 8K plus 12 equals to 0. So we have K square minus 8K plus 12 equals to 0. So we have k square minus 6k minus 2k plus 12 equals to 0. Middle term is splitting. We already did it in the beginning of the classes. Middle term is splitting. Rajveer, MTS.
Yeah.
We already did when we started taking, we started our sessions. We did it. Middle term is splitting. So taking k common, minus 2, k minus 6 equals to 0. So k minus 2 and k minus 6. So value of k will be 2 or 6. 2 or 6. These
2 or
are
6.
the value of, yes. And we had to find the value of k only. So this will be the answer.
Okay.
Now it's time to give you the homework. Obviously,
Yeah.
the whole exercise till question 12.
Mm-hmm.
Homework is exercise 3A, question 1 to 12.
Yeah.
And we have class tomorrow, okay?
Yes, we do.
We have 5 days now. So
Yeah.
you need to pull up your socks. You have to do more work, in fact. And so on daily basis, you have to do work. In any case, if you have any situation in any emergency that you cannot take class, please inform me prior so that I can reschedule it for Saturday, Sunday. Okay. In any case, we miss any class on weekdays, we can keep it on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care. Bye.